Starting your meal prep journey may seem like a big challenge, but it's one of the most effective ways to ensure you maintain a healthy, balanced diet throughout the week while saving time and money. In this video, we'll break down the step-by-step process of planning, preparing, and storing meals for an entire week, making meal prep easy and approachable for beginners. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent juggling multiple responsibilities, or simply looking to eat better, these beginner-friendly tips will transform how you approach healthy eating. Step 1. Understanding meal prep. Meal prep isn't just about cooking in bulk. It's about intentionally preparing meals or ingredients in advance so you always have quick, healthy options available when hunger strikes. The primary purpose of meal prep is to reduce the stress of daily cooking while helping you stick to a consistent, nutritious eating plan, even on your busiest days. By preparing your meals in advance, you'll avoid last-minute decisions that often lead to unhealthy takeout or fast food, keeping your goals on track. Meal prep also allows you to save money by reducing food waste, buying in bulk, and making the most out of seasonal ingredients. Step 2. Planning your meals. A successful meal prep week begins with a clear plan. Start by outlining a basic weekly menu, covering all your meals, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and even snacks. Choose recipes that are easy to prepare, store well, and reheat without losing flavor, such as hearty grain bowls, stir-fries, or simple soups. Prioritize meals that are nutritionally balanced, ensuring they include a mix of lean proteins, whole grains, healthy fats, and colorful vegetables for variety and satisfaction. Be realistic with your schedule. If you have particularly busy days, opt for quick and portable options like wraps, salads, or overnight oats. Don't forget snacks. Adding pre-prepared snacks like fruit, nuts, or yogurt to your plan helps curb cravings and keeps your energy stable throughout the day. Step 3. Grocery shopping tips. Before you shop, create a detailed grocery list based on your weekly menu to keep you focused and prevent impulse buying, which can derail your budget. Organize your shopping list into sections such as fresh produce, pantry staples, and proteins, making your trip to the store more efficient and less stressful. Take advantage of seasonal produce for better flavor and nutrition, and stock up on frozen fruits and vegetables for convenient, long-lasting options. Look for sales on bulk items like rice, quinoa, beans, or chicken to maximize savings while stocking your pantry with versatile ingredients. Invest in quality storage containers, including glass containers, freezer bags, and portion-sized jars, to keep your prepped meals fresh and organized all week. Step 4. Prepping your ingredients. Set aside time to wash, peel, and chop your vegetables in one session, ensuring that everything is ready to cook or assemble when needed. Cook grains like rice, quinoa, or pasta in large batches, and portion them into individual containers to use as the base for multiple meals. Prepare proteins such as grilled chicken, baked tofu, or roasted chickpeas in advance, seasoning them with versatile spices to fit various recipes. Roast a variety of vegetables, such as sweet potatoes, broccoli, or zucchini, on a single sheet pan for a simple yet flavorful meal component. Mix up a few versatile sauces, like a creamy tahini dressing or a zesty chimichurri, to elevate the flavor of your meals and keep them exciting. Step 5. Assembling meals. Build complete meals by layering ingredients into containers, starting with grains, followed by proteins, and topping them with vegetables for a balanced dish. Keep components like dressings, crunchy toppings, or delicate greens separate to ensure they stay fresh and maintain their texture until it's time to eat. Create grab-and-go lunches, such as salad jars, by layering dressing at the bottom, sturdier vegetables in the middle, and greens on top to keep them crisp. Pre-portion snacks into small containers, like pre-measured nuts, sliced fruit, or veggie sticks, to make healthy snacking effortless throughout the week. Get creative with your ingredients by mixing and matching them. Use roasted chicken in salads one day and wraps the next for variety without extra prep. Step 6. Storing your meals. Use clear, airtight containers to store your meals, making it easy to identify what's inside while keeping your food fresh and flavorful all week long. Label your containers with the meal name and date to help you stay organized and ensure you eat everything before it spoils. Keep meals you'll eat in the next 2 to 3 days in the fridge, and freeze anything you plan to eat later in the week for longer storage. When freezing meals, consider dividing them into single-serving portions for easier reheating and to prevent waste from thawing too much at once. Step 7. Tips for success: designate a specific day, like Sunday or Monday, as your meal prep day, setting aside a few hours to cook and organize your meals for the week ahead. If you're just starting, begin by prepping meals for 2 or 3 days to build confidence and avoid overwhelming yourself with too much cooking at once. Keep your meals simple in the beginning, stick to a few core recipes you know and love, and expand your repertoire as you gain experience. Incorporate variety into your meal prep by trying new seasonings, sauces, or cooking methods to keep your meals exciting and flavorful over time. Don't stress if everything doesn't go perfectly. Meal prep is a skill that improves with practice, and even small efforts can lead to big benefits. Step 8. Benefits of meal prep. Meal prep saves you hours during busy weekdays, giving you more time to focus on work, family, or self-care without compromising your diet. It supports consistent healthy eating by ensuring you always have nutritious meals ready to go, helping you avoid less healthy, spur-of-the-moment options. Prepping meals in advance also helps with portion control, making it easier to stick to your fitness goals without having to measure or weigh food daily. By reducing the stress of daily cooking and decision-making, meal prep sets you up for long-term success and a healthier, happier lifestyle overall. Conclusion: meal prep is a game-changer for beginners looking to eat healthier, save time, and stay organized. It's all about creating a system that works for you. With these simple tips, you'll feel confident preparing an entire week of meals, setting yourself up for a successful and nutritious week ahead.